Welcome back, students. Part 2 video of resonance and coupled circuits related to unannounced subject EE8251 circuit theory. So in the previous video we already discussed about the syllabus of this subject. In this video we will cover three unannounced questions. First question asked in December 2005, 13-mark question. Second question asked in June 2011, which is also carries 13 marks. Question number 3 asked in 2005 June for only 2 marks. So let us see one by one. First question. A series RLC circuit has R is equal to 20 ohm, L is equal to 0.005 Henry, and the capacitance 0.2 into 10 power minus 6 Farad. It is fed from a 100 volt variable frequency source. That means we are dealing with AC source. Find frequency at which the current is maximum. So what is the frequency at which maximum current gives? That is nothing but resonant frequency. Let us see the graph. So in x-axis we should refer frequency. In y-axis we should refer the current. So the curve will be like this. So at this frequency only we will have maximum value of current. So maximum value of current will give maximum value of power. So maximum value of current will exhibit only at this frequency. What is the name of this frequency? Resonant frequency. What is the formula to calculate resonant frequency? Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into root of L value, inductance value, which is equal to 0.005 Henry. Capacitance value 0.2 into 10 power minus 6 Farad. So using calculator we will solve this problem. 1 divided by within bracket 2 pi into root of within bracket 0.005 multiplied by 0.2 into 10 power minus 6 Farad, which is equal to 5032 Hertz. So this will be the resonant frequency 5032.9. So resonant frequency will be 5032.9 Hertz. Okay. What is the second question? Impedance at this frequency. Impedance at this frequency. That is impedance at resonant frequency. So at resonant frequency, what is the condition of the circuit? This is pure AC circuit. At resonant frequency, the effect of inductance will be cancelled by effect of capacitance. So inductance as well as capacitance will vanish. So automatically the circuit will be act as pure resistive circuit. So at resonant frequency, the circuit impedance will be nothing but its resistance. So question number 2 has impedance. What is the value of impedance? R plus jXL minus jXC when the frequency will be equal to resonant frequency. At resonant frequency, the effect of inductive capacitance and inductive capacitance and inductive reactance will equal. That is, XL should be equal to XC. Hence, Z should be equal to R. The answer will be equal to just 20 ohms. Okay. What is question number 3? Voltage across inductor at this frequency. Voltage across inductor at this frequency, that is VL. So question number 3, VL. VL is equal to, as per Ohm's law, VL is equal to I into XL. What is the value of I? That is maximum value of I. Maximum value of I, which is nothing but supply voltage by resistance, because when maximum current exhibits, the resonant frequency will comes. At resonant frequency, XL and XC will be equal, hence both were ignored. So V by R into XL. XL is nothing but 2 pi FL, 2 into pi into resonant frequency FR into L value, which is equal to supply voltage V is equal to 100. What is the value of R? 20. So which is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 pi resonant frequency 5032.9 hertz into L value 0.005 Henry. 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 5032.9 into 0.005 should be equal to 790.566 volt. So first question over. Let us move into the next question. Compute Q. Q is nothing but quality factor of the series RLC circuit with R is equal to 10 ohm, L is equal to 0.04 Henry and C is equal to 1 microfarad. Find bandwidth, resonant frequency and half power frequencies. So first we have to determine Q factor. What is the formula to calculate Q factor? Q factor is equal to 1 by R root of L by C, which is equal to 1 divided by 10 into root of 0.04 divided by 1 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Okay, so which is equal to 1 by 10. It should be written by 4 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 10 power minus 6. So this will be cancelled. 10 power minus 4. Root of 10 power minus 4 should be equal to 1 by 10 into 10 power minus 2 into root of 4. Root of 4 is nothing but 2. So 10 power plus 1 into 10 power minus 2, which is equal to 10 power minus 1, which is equal to 2 into 10. Simply quality factor 20. Okay, what is the second question? Find the bandwidth. Bandwidth is equal to, let us recall the formula. Bandwidth is equal to R by 2 pi L. So resistance 10 ohm, 2 into pi into L value 0.04, which is equal to, so using calculator, 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5, divided by pi divided by 0.004, which is equal to 397.88 hertz. That is nothing but bandwidth, 397.88. So bandwidth 39.788 hertz. Sorry, 397. Only 39.7 exist. Okay, point number 3. What is the third question asked? The resonant frequency. So the formula for resonant frequency, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root LC, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into root of 0.04 into capacitance value 1 microfarad, that is 10 power minus 6. So which is equal to, using calculator, 1 divided by within bracket 2 pi into root of 0.04 into 10 power minus 6 should be equal to 795.77 hertz, which is equal to resonant frequency. So this is the resonant frequency value FR 795.77 hertz. FR will be calculated by using another formula, because we already know the bandwidth as well as quality factor. So these three factors will be related by bandwidth is equal to FR by quality factor. So we have to calculate resonant frequency. Just you have to multiply bandwidth with quality factor. That is 20 into 39.788, which is also gives the same answer as it gives by the formula 1 by 2 pi root LC. So you can use any one formula. FR is equal to bandwidth into quality factor, or FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. Both the formula gives the same answer. Okay, the third parameter is also found. Now half power frequencies. What are half power frequencies? Already we discussed in the previous video. The lower cutoff frequency F1 as well as upper cutoff frequency F2. What is the formula to calculate F1? F1 is nothing but FR minus bandwidth by 2. What is the formula to calculate high upper cutoff frequency F2? FR. Upper cutoff frequency FR plus bandwidth by 2. The resonant frequency will be 795.77 plus bandwidth by 2, 37.788 divided by 2, which is equal to resonant frequency minus bandwidth is equal to 39.788 by 2, which will gives the answer 776.2 Hz. If we add these two values, 795.77 plus 39.788 divided by 2, which is equal to 816.06 Hz. So in this problem we found quality factor, bandwidth, resonant frequency as well as half power frequencies. Except quality factor, we should put unit for all the parameters. Don't forget to include unit. So with this, question number 2 is over. Next we should switch over to the question number 3. June 2005. 2 more question. A series RLC circuit consists of R is equal to 100 ohm, L is equal to 0.02 Henry and C. The formula for resonant frequency is FR is nothing but 1 by 2 pi root LC. FR is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root of L into C, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi. What is the value of inductance? 0.02 Henry. What is the value of capacitance? 0.02 microfarad, which is equal to 10 power minus 6 farad. The unit of inductance will be available in only farad. The unit of inductance will be available only in Henry. Henry as well as farad. Don't just put microfarad here. 1 divided by 2 pi into root of L value 0.02 into 0.02 into 10 power minus 6. To convert microfarad into farad, we should include 10 power minus 6. What is the value of resonant frequency? 7957 plus 0.74 Hz. 7957.74 Hz. This is nothing but resonant frequency. So with this we conclude this video. So in this video we solved 3 anagnostic questions. Thank you so much for your patience, my dear students. Thank you so much.